Hello, hi. So today we are going to see once again how to fit a rectangle into your screen size. So first of all, let me tell you this. If you are here watching this video, then you have probably struggled a lot to fit your rectangles into the screen size. So, so now I want you to take a step back and relax because this video will probably solve your problem. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we need a rectangle, right? So let's add a material, okay, and name it hello red. Okay. So now let's choose a color for it, and choose a red color for it. Okay, and we are going to reduce opacity. Okay, this is normal stuff. Okay, now we need a canvas. We all know this. We need a rectangle, right? So we input a rectangle here, and what we are going to do is the solution. After this tutorial you are probably going to be annoyed because the solution is so simple, and yet we missed it so many times. It was right under our nose. No patching required, no scripting required. This is very simple, and I think this was not available before the latest update. So this option became available to us after the update. That is what I think. That is why I missed it. So we add the material hello red, and now this is a transparent red square. We need it to fit the screen. Okay. So we just go here and fill width. We just go here and fill height. So we all know this, and this should solve the problem, right? But as soon as we change this to like some other device, it creates a white gap, which is not something we want, and resizable window is even worse, right? So we are going to solve that. Just put this to some iPhone again, and now go here, and obviously fill with fill height, and we want to pin this here and here. Okay, make sure that this lock is also unlocked. And now if you see, if we change this to some other device, there is no problem. I know, right? This is so simple, yet we missed it. And if I change this to any other device, it doesn't matter. So I made a tutorial about this a few days ago, but then someone said that whatever the solution I had provided was a different was I had provided a solution for only the resizable window, because I did not know that resizable windows aren't compatible on all devices. So thank you for whoever left that comment, because I tried out my filter and even my own device was not compatible with the resizable window option. So I don't know why this this option is even available. I think it should be made somehow compatible, right? I'm not going to be deleting the other tutorial, even though this is better now. Still, I won't be deleting it. This was a short tutorial. This was super simple to understand. So I hope you like this and like the video. If you think your problem has been solved, I would really appreciate it if you could check out my first channel, Arrow Patel, and subscribe maybe, because that helps a lot. And yes, you can go back now to making your own filter. Thank you for watching.